Hey friends, welcome to Java to Code. In the previous video, we have seen that how to find factorial using for method. So we learn about how to do with the for loop, while loop, do while loop and big integer method. So in this video, you're gonna learn a different method using recursion. As a programmer, we are always curious to know different method of one particular problem. Yeah. So let's start with this method. Okay. So let's create a class. Okay, I will give my class name as a fact recursion and create a main class and finish. Okay, commit it properly. Okay, factorial using recursion. Let's take the input from user. You can do manually or you can take the with the help of a scanner. Okay, I will take with the help of a scanner. System dot in. Let's just import. Okay, take a value int, next int. Okay, and after that you are using here recursion, so let's create one function. My function name is fact. Take the input which is n. Okay, let's create this function. Okay, so actually the recursion, it is a way to tell you that how the function work. Actually the function call itself, it is called recursion, right? What will be the benefit? With the help of recursion, you can make your code less and make your coding more effective. Okay, and your time complexity is also become less. Okay, and yeah, so let's do it. If your n is equals to 1 and n is equals to 0. Okay, so if n is equal to 1 and 0, then factorial is always 1. Then you need to return 1. You need to write your return as an integer. Okay, because you are returning here integer value, so you need to return integer. And in the else part, you need to write your formula for factorial. So just return and into fact and minus 1. Okay, so this is how it work. Okay, so let me just save factorial value inside one variable, which is result, and just print the value and see what will be the output. Okay, let me from here I will copy and just copy. Okay, result. Okay, so let me just run it, see what will be the output. Okay, so we will give the input 5 and series factorial of 5 is 120. But how it actually working inside, let me just explain you. So you can see when n is equal to 5, then we will move to the else part, which is 5 into fact 4. 4 is actually 5 minus 1, and again n value will become 4. Again it is check 4 into fact 3, because 4 minus 1. Again it is check, we will move into the else part, 3 into fact 2. Again n value 2, it is not 1, it is not 0. So 2 into fact 1, it is also inside the else part. So we got 1, and again we will get 1. Okay, so the final output will be 1. Okay, but in the recursion we need to backtrack, so our output will be 2 into 1, which is 2. Okay, and next is 3 into 2, that is 6, and 4 into 6 is 24, and 5 into 24 is 120. So this way we got factorial of 5 is 120. So this is the way we can do it. But the problem with this, we take very large the coding here, but we can also use here ternary operator. Okay, if you have not understood what will be the ternary operator, then you can read here, okay, in the blog, because this blog is very good, and I will recommend to you all to read this blog. Okay, because this is very simple language and you can understand better Java concept. Okay, so let me just explain with the help of ternary operator as well. So just comment it, and Let's take return n is equals to 0 or n is equals to 1. Okay, so if n is equal to 0 and n equal to 1, then we need to return 1, else we need to do that factorial recursion. Okay, n minus 1. So let me just run this and see what will be the output. Take any number 7, factorial of 7 is 5040. So you can take in the one line also with the help of ternary operator. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get daily notification. Thank you.